Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that offers diversified investment portfolios to its clients. To get the most out of your Wealthfront portfolio, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices. First, it is crucial to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront offers various portfolios with different risk levels, ranging from conservative to aggressive. You should choose a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, you should understand the concept of diversification. Wealthfront portfolios are diversified across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. This diversification helps to minimize risk and maximize returns. Another important concept is tax efficiency. Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other securities. This can help to reduce your tax liability and increase your after-tax returns. It is also essential to maintain a long-term perspective. Wealthfront portfolios are designed for long-term investing, and it is crucial to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. In addition, you should regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. Wealthfront offers automatic rebalancing, which helps to maintain your target asset allocation. However, you should also regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Finally, it is crucial to take advantage of Wealthfront's financial planning tools. Wealthfront offers a range of tools, including retirement planning and investment tracking, to help you achieve your financial goals. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your Wealthfront portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to stay informed, maintain a long-term perspective, and regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront portfolios are designed to be low cost and efficient, and by following these best practices, you can maximize your returns and achieve your financial goals. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, Wealthfront offers a range of tools and resources to help you succeed. Overall, a Wealthfront portfolio can be a great way to achieve your long-term financial goals. And by following these tips, you can get the most out of your investment.